Ready?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
First, I was going to approach on Galindo.
Okay.
This is the kid that you took into custody. He had tested dirty. I was going to see with a little weekend jail therapy if you would consider reinstating his bond. I'm hoping the DA is going to give him a possible pretrial intervention, and obviously I can't get this kid to do anything if he's in custody. So I'm assuming it's going to be.
You don't have anything yet? No good offer? It's 130.
I mean, I turned everything in, but yeah, that's
Submitted something.
I submitted it. It looks like that's where we're going is yes, but he needs to be out on bond to do what they asked him.
So in this case was first file, I told Greg, I'm like, yeah, let's see how he's doing on bond. Let's just kind of, let's see how.
Your mom and dad here or anyone here?
Right. She was here.
I'm not the dad. I'm the uncle.
Now you start behind you.
So that's
I'm bringing Mr. Galindo. Oh. Is it Galindo? Galindo.
Galindo.
Hi. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
My only issue is that we've done this before. We're reinstated as a bond.
I understand, but he's a high school kid. He's going to be missing school. If they do the pretrial intervention, I can't have him do anything in there. If they're going to do some sort of decision-making class, a drug safety course, that type of stuff, they're all online. I need him out. He can't do it.
How do we ensure that he doesn't use anymore?
Well, I mean,
Tell me, what is his schedule now, Mom?
He goes to school, he comes home.
Where's he at school in Madison?
Because in high school, right?
He's a
Is it Katie? Where's it? More. Okay.
I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order him under home confinement, other than school. You know. You know, there are times in life where people are their own worst enemy. That is you. There's no one else to blame. I have already reinstated your bond once, and I told you that I wasn't going to play this game again, and now you're in jail. Your lawyer and your mom are just, they want to get you out. But why? You do whatever the hell you want to do, whenever you're going to do it. You just don't care about bond conditions. So why would we do this?
To be honest, like, I give you my word,
Your word is absolute. Goes from me, goes in one ear, goes in out the other ear. You tell me something, I don't believe it for a second, because that's what you told me the last time. And now you're here telling me the same thing. Why on earth?
I want to study for my CDO.
Okay. Explain that to Judge. What you want.
Say that again? What?
I want to study for my CDO so I can do trucking.
Do you think anyone's going to hire you with weed in your system? They test every single person when you go drive a 15,000-pound car. You get behind the wheel and you have marijuana in your system and you get into an accident, your life is all but over. You'll never be employed again. No one. Because before they even put you in a car, they're going to test you like crazy. And if you test positive for marijuana, you think they're going to let you drive?
No, sir.
I'm not. You're a complete liability.
And Judge, that's, part of if they give him the PTI, that's not concrete. You understand? I'm trying to get you what's called a pretrial intervention.
Yes, sir.
I'm assuming part of it, and I would encourage part of it to be the drug safety course, learn something out of it, a decision-making course, community service, whatever they may want. And I'm hoping some of the stuff helps them learn from it, educate himself. And so he stops doing this, he can graduate, try to achieve his goals. But I mean, if he's got the criminal conviction, he's sitting in there, it just goes downhill from there. And so I'm trying to get.
Perception is reality. If you look like a thug, people will treat you like a thug. If you speak like a thug, they will treat you like a thug. When your hair is all kind of crazy and you go in half dressed with your pants down to your ankles, do you think you're going to get anything in this life?
No, sir. Not at all.
Tell me about his schedule now, Mom. What is he doing?
He goes to school.
Okay, every day? Okay.
He comes home from school and just sees until maybe is up during the night going night.
What was he doing before we put him in jail? What was he doing? Is he going out with friends? Is he going out on Friday nights, Saturday nights, going out to?
School most of the time. He was not just out.
What do you mean most of the time?
Well, he'll miss school day.
What?
He would just go to, and now he's there just right every day. So he doesn't.
How
They should
much
say
do you-
first he was, now he's been going
Yeah, he's
since,
been going to school since we came back to court. The first time he came to court, he's been going to school. So prior to that, he just didn't have no cash for going to school or anything like that.
Mr. Galindo,
Yes, sir.
this life really, really sucks without money.
Yes, sir.
And I cannot tell you the amount of people that we get in here end up in jail because they quit school at the 10th grade, dropped out because they would just rather go out partying, doing whatever they're going to do, just thinking that, oh, I'm going to go get a job and just go work. The more schooling you have in this life, the more money you will make.
Yes, sir.
Ask him how much money he makes. It's a rhetorical question. Mr. Galindo. He probably spent the better part of around 7-8 years in life just in post high school. And now homeboy probably makes, I don't know, $250,000, give or take, I'm betting. Because that's what life is about. He's constantly going to Athens, Greece, that's what life is about. Not living paycheck to paycheck, scrummaging just to be able to get freaking groceries. I can't get new tires on my car because I ain't got no money. And then I can't get a job because I ain't got no money because I ain't got no tires. This is the shitty part about life, that you skipping school are going to end up. I still have friends that I went to high school with that work at fast food restaurants because they never did anything worthwhile in life. And they look at me like, oh, I'm like, it doesn't come easy. If it was hard, if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. Now, did we have a GPS monitor on his ankle before? Okay. Reluctantly, I'm going to let you out. But the only thing I want from you is to get up, you go to school, and you go back home. You are not allowed out. I don't want you to go out on a Friday night. I don't want you to go out on a Saturday night. I want you to sit home. And I want verification every week that you have attended school and that you have not skipped one class.
Yes, sir.
The next time you skip, so help me, I'm going to light you up. Do you understand me? You ever test positive for anything else again, I promise you, I'm not going to do this again. I'm not going to let you out again.
Sir.
And I don't give a rat's behind what kind of deal that you have to get him out on, whether he gets dismissed or not. You violate any set conditions, it's over for you.
Yes, sir.
So, GPS prior to release, scram on the other ankle so he's not drinking. School every day. After he gets home from school, 3 o'clock, what time does he get home from school?
I get home at 2:35, sir.
So-
I leave school at 2:35 and get home at 2:50.
3 p.m. home, and he stays there. He's not allowed out until the foreseeable future.
okay.
Okay? That's it. Saturday, Sunday, you stay at home. You're not allowed out.
When do you want a reset wise? Because it's gonna auto generate once you give him the bond, so, right?
I mean, we can set it off. Well, I'd like to set it off on a weekly basis so that we know he's
Okay,
attending
and then I
school.
can get with the
So
DA and
we'll
kind of,
do, so what's today? Today's Monday. We'll set it for next Monday.
then I'll get with the state, iron out.
Now, back into school, and I want proof that you're actually enrolled and that you're attending faithfully every single day. You cut a class, I'm gonna cut you. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good luck.
It's just a family function, the other, the only weekends, no. We don't want-
Let Greg know.
Oh,
I want to know what it is, and I want to know that he's with you the whole time. He can't go by himself. He can't deviate this, there, that. No. If he's with you,
oh, yeah, that's-
I'm okay with it, but he's got to stay with you
Yeah.
the whole time.
I even know stuff.
Okay. When you act like a child, we treat you like a child. And now I have to constantly put you over my knee and spank you like a little child. If that's what we have to do, that's what we'll do. Next time I spank you, it's going to hurt like hell. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.